This is a short video on repairing a broken USB flash drive in order to recover the data. And it's an older stick. The connector broke off many years ago, and it was only recently decided to try to see if the data could be recovered. So I first removed the plastic casing. I'm using a Swiss pocket knife, a Swiss Army knife. The casing is already loose because of the accident. So under the microscope I see we're lucky because the solder joints are broken, but the pads are still in place. So the idea is that I simply bend it into the right position and try to fix the solder joints. And then under the microscope you can see more clearly. It's just a matter of solder joints that broke. So that should be easy peasy. I only recently started doing this type of recoveries and repairs, so I'm quite selective about drives I have sent people to me. I do not do monoliths yet and stuff like that, but simple flash drive repairs or chip off from T-SOP type chips and BGA chips I do as well, using flash extractor. Oh, looks good enough, and maybe we're lucky. The only worry I have is that this drive has been put away for years. So the NAND may not be in optimal condition, but we'll see. I'm going to use the DeepSpar USB stabilizer. I didn't connect it properly the first time. And now it detects. So I was initially planning on just copying files over, but that didn't work. So eventually I had to image it via the USB stabilizer and then extract the data from the image file. That's what I'm doing here. So that's it. One of my first recoveries from a USB flash drive. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. It helps me. And thank you for watching.